Experience truly is the ultimate teacher, as it applies to virtually every aspect of our lives. When it comes to retirement, seeking advice from those who have already retired can prove to be quite beneficial. Discover the secrets to a fulfilling and joyful retirement by learning how to steer clear of common pitfalls with their expert guidance. Everybody experiences a point in their life when they just want to unwind, relax, and live stress-free. And this is how most people picture retirement. Retirement planning is a multifaceted endeavor that goes beyond mere financial savings. It requires careful consideration of your lifestyle, family, and health to ensure a comfortable and secure retirement. Analyzing where you are and what you'll need to live your best life in retirement is crucial before you leave your job. After all, only you know when it's time to hang up your work clothes and spend the rest of your days drinking cocktails, basking in the sun, and gazing out at the sea. Achieving a comfortable retirement is within reach, whether you aspire to retire early or later. Despite the inability to predict the future, effective retirement planning is still feasible. Discover the most valuable insights from those who have already retired. They often offer the best recommendations. Get the inside scoop from those who have been there and done that. They'll tell you exactly what to expect. Looking for some expert guidance on retirement planning? Look no further than these 8 tried-and-true tips from seasoned retirees. Number 1. Envision the lifestyle of your dreams. Secure your future by planning for retirement, as it comes with a significant financial burden. Envisioning the ideal post-retirement lifestyle is an essential step towards securing your future. Discover your retirement dreams and create a meticulously crafted strategy to achieve them. Planning ahead for retirement is crucial to maintaining your current lifestyle. Experts suggest having 70 to 90% of your pre-retirement income to live comfortably. Determine the precise amount of funds required by taking a moment to assess your monthly expenditures, encompassing housing expenses and outstanding debts. Get on the right track with your finances by seeking guidance from a professional financial advisor. They can help you create a savings plan and ensure you have a steady income during retirement. Achieve financial stability and enjoy life's pleasures with their assistance. Cover your expenses and have additional funds for leisure activities. Unlock the secret to optimizing your saving strategy by understanding your unique needs. With this in mind, let's move on to tip number 2. Start saving with ease. Are you guilty of not saving money regularly because you think you need a ton of cash to start? Well, think again. You can start saving little by little, whether it's every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. You don't have to put away a huge chunk of money right away. Start small and save more as you go along. It's especially important to save for retirement, so you have a safety net when you're done working or want to reduce your hours. If you're already saving, keep up the good work. But if you haven't started yet, make it a priority and begin as soon as you can. Create a plan, set goals, and stick to them. Remember, the sooner you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Don't wait any longer to secure your financial future. Number 3. Learn about your employer's pension plan. Discovering the ins and outs of your employer's traditional pension plan is a wise move. Request a personalized benefit statement to determine its value and ascertain whether you're covered. It's also crucial to investigate what happens to your pension if you switch jobs and whether you have any benefits from previous positions. If your employer offers a retirement savings plan like a 401k, it's imperative to enroll and contribute as much as possible. Not only will your company contribute, but your taxes will also be lower. With automatic deductions, it's incredibly simple. Over time, compound interest and deferred tax payments can accumulate, so it's essential to become acquainted with your plan. Discover the optimal contribution amount required to receive the complete employer match and determine the duration of your plan participation to retain those funds. Number 4. Open an individual retirement account. Secure your financial future by opening an individual retirement account (IRA) if you're self-employed or your employer doesn't offer a retirement savings plan. An IRA account is a wise investment for your retirement. With IRA, you can secure your financial future and enjoy attractive tax benefits. Start contributing to your IRA today, no matter how small the amount. With various options available, you have the flexibility to choose the one that suits you best. The best part? You can easily set up an automatic transfer from your checking or savings account to your IRA account. These accounts are tailored to be long-term savings vehicles, ensuring a comfortable retirement. However, withdrawing funds before retirement can significantly reduce your savings. It's important to note that generally speaking, Taking money out of your IRA account before you turn 59 will result in a substantial tax penalty equal to 10% of the funds withdrawn, in addition to regular taxes owed. Number 5. Don't retire early. Imagine the allure of early retirement, the freedom to enjoy the fruits of your labor and live life on your own terms. It's a tantalizing prospect, especially if you've achieved financial success throughout your career and find yourself in a position to retire sooner than expected. However, the reality is that achieving this dream requires diligent saving and careful planning. Don't rush into it. Give yourself ample time to build up your savings and reach your other goals. While the idea of leaving work behind may seem idyllic, it's important to remember that early retirement is only possible with a solid retirement plan, substantial savings, and smart investments. Discovering the truth about retirement is crucial. It can be a costly transition that catches many off guard. To avoid being stuck with a fixed income and struggling to make ends meet, it's essential to have enough savings. Seeking guidance from a reputable financial advisor is a smart move if you're unsure where to begin. They'll assess your finances and provide expert advice on whether you can retire early or need to continue working for a while longer. Number 6. Investing. Maximize your retirement potential by delaying retirement and investing your time in making more money. But don't stop there. Invest your hard-earned money wisely to watch it grow. Inflation and investment types can significantly impact your retirement savings. That's why it's essential to learn basic investment principles before you start. Dive into the investment options available in your savings or pension plan, and don't hesitate to ask questions for a clearer understanding. Spread your savings across various investments to reduce risk and boost your potential returns. Diversification is key. As you journey through life, your investment strategy may shift with your changing goals and financial circumstances. Equipping yourself with financial knowledge will empower you to make wise investment decisions with ease. Number 7. Review your finances and make adjustments. Maximize your financial potential by carefully examining your expenses and aligning them with your retirement aspirations. This approach is an effective means of bolstering your funds. Eliminating debt is crucial for a stress-free retirement. Whether it's credit card balances, auto loans, or student loans, it's essential to pay them off. These debts won't magically disappear, and addressing them while you have a steady income or job will be much more manageable than attempting to handle them post-retirement. To pay off your debts more quickly without taking on additional loans, one effective strategy is to trim down your expenses, such as rent, car payments, and other discretionary spending. Consider downsizing to a smaller home if your current living situation is expensive. Discover a cost-effective alternative to manage your expenses, specifically when dealing with real estate taxes. Alternatively, if you have a large home, you could rent out extra rooms to bring in some extra cash. Number 8. Invest in your health. As we age, it's important to face the reality that our health may decline, and we may require long-term medical care in retirement. Shockingly, studies show that 70% of those who reach 65 years old will need some form of long-term care in the future. The costs of healthcare in retirement can be steep, but with proper planning and saving, you can prepare for these expenses. Regardless of your current health status, it's crucial to take action to maintain and improve your health to prevent future medical complications. Remember, as we age, our health status changes, so it's essential to prioritize self-care to mitigate any potential risks. Thankfully, there are numerous effective ways to achieve optimal health, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient rest. However, it is equally crucial to have a trusted primary care provider who can expertly guide you towards a healthier lifestyle. Retirement planning need not be a daunting task. With transparency and honesty, you can make plans for your future with confidence. Our video aims to assist you in achieving your retirement goals by providing you with the necessary guidance. While the tips mentioned are helpful, they are only meant to point you in the right direction. To gain more insight, we recommend conducting further research. Improve your financial knowledge by reading books and articles and consulting with your employer or financial advisor. Thank you for watching until the end. If you have any comments or thoughts, please share them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video to stay updated. Have a lovely day, and see you next time.